Italy's Prime Minister, Giorgia Meloni, welcomed Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He's in Italy to be a part of the G7 summit outreach. The two met with the traditional Indian greeting, a civilizational greeting, Namaste. Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a series of bilateral meetings on the sidelines of G7 with several world leaders, including Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky, the President of France, Emmanuel Macron, and the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, Rishi Sunak. Geeta Mohan is on ground zero in Apulia in Italy. She sent us this report.
On his first foreign tour after returning as the Prime Minister, Narendra Modi is attending the G7 summit in Italy. Though India is not a member of the group of countries with advanced economies, it's a special invitee. The summit, set against the backdrop of pressing global issues, witnessed a series of high-profile bilateral meetings on its opening day. The bonhomie between Prime Minister Modi and French President Emmanuel Macron was on display as both the leaders held a bilateral meet on the sidelines of G7 summit. Prime Minister also held key bilateral meet with United Kingdom Prime Minister Rishi Sunak. The two leaders discussed India-UK comprehensive strategic partnership. In its talks with Volodymyr Zelensky, the president of Ukraine, which is fighting Russian invasion, Prime Minister Modi reiterated that the only way to peace is through dialogue. The two leaders were seen sharing a hug ahead of the talks. Prime Minister Modi's interactions underscore the strengthening ties between India and global powers. Modi also met Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, greeting her with a warm namaste and recreating the much-anticipated melody movement that fans had been eagerly waiting for. The day was marked by a heartwarming moment when Prime Minister Modi was seen greeting and hugging Pope Francis. With Prime Minister Modi's active engagements and the country's growing global influence, India's role on the world stage is undeniably expanding. Bureau Report, India Today.